Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 27 stylish living room layouts, designed to inspire comfort, enhance functionality, and elevate the aesthetics of your home. A living room with expansive glass walls seamlessly connects indoor comfort with lush outdoor greenery, fostering a serene and inviting ambience throughout the entire space. Concrete textures and built-in seating harmonize beautifully with abundant natural light, creating a minimalist yet cozy living room perfect for intimate gatherings and peaceful moments of solitude. An elegant ceiling of wooden panels adds warmth and character to this open-plan living room, complementing the expansive glass doors and sleek, modern furniture arrangement. A fusion of rustic charm and contemporary comfort, this inviting living room features exposed wood beams and a soft, light color palette, exuding timeless simplicity and elegance. High ceilings and ample windows flood the spacious area with natural light, while carefully curated furniture choices balance sleek modernity with an understated sense of elegance. Neutral tones and natural wood textures give this serene living room a cozy yet refined aesthetic, perfectly blending with the vibrant greenery and outdoor environment beyond. A spacious layout with earthy tones and large floor-to-ceiling windows creates a seamless transition between this living room's cozy interior and the picturesque surrounding landscape. The living room embraces abundant natural light and bamboo accents, effortlessly combining a modern aesthetic with eco-friendly elements for a refreshing and calming atmosphere. Soft industrial details and a dramatic black-framed window elevate this sophisticated living room, offering striking views of the expansive horizon and beyond. Rustic stone walls meet contemporary furnishing in this living room, where traditional materials blend seamlessly with sleek, modern architectural design elements. Bright colors and clean, minimal lines infuse energy into this vibrant living room, while expansive glass doors allow an unfiltered connection with the flourishing garden outside. Curved seating and muted, soft textures create a sculptural visual effect in this living room, showcasing minimalist design with understated functional elegance. The wooden ceiling and panoramic, expansive glass windows amplify the spaciousness of this luxurious living room, offering a serene yet sophisticated retreat for relaxation. Bookshelves and exposed beams lend a warm, personal touch to this inviting living room, beautifully complemented by the lush outdoor view through a wide central window. An open-plan layout integrates a thoughtful touch of greenery, fostering a harmonious, seamless flow between the cozy indoor living area and the tranquil outdoor serenity. The bold accents and rich, layered textures enhance this elegant living room's charm, creating a welcoming yet stylish space ideal for both relaxation and lively gatherings. Rustic textures and modern comforts converge harmoniously in this living room, showcasing a carefully balanced fusion of natural and contemporary design elements throughout the space. Light, wood, and concrete combine effortlessly in this cozy yet elegant living room, evoking an inviting ambience of warmth and minimalist sophistication for everyday comfort. Expansive glass walls in this inviting living room blur the boundaries between luxurious indoor comfort and the breathtaking scenic outdoor setting, welcoming nature into the space. A modern yet minimalist design blends bold contrasts and ample natural light, creating a bright, functional, and inviting living room environment perfect for everyday use. This living room exudes a refined rustic modern vibe with wood-paneled walls, minimalist decor, and expansive windows perfectly framing a lush, serene landscape view. Classic design elements meet modern minimalism in this bright and airy living room, where vibrant accents harmonize beautifully with natural wood finishes and soft, tactile textures. A tranquil balance of soft earth tones and abundant natural light defines this inviting living room, making it both a cozy retreat and an elegant social gathering space. The vaulted ceiling and rich wood textures in this warm living room enhance its inviting atmosphere, creating a harmonious blend of timeless traditional and sleek modern styles. An eclectic mix of vintage and contemporary design elements in this living room creates a welcoming space where light streams through large windows, illuminating the timeless charm within. This living room merges sleek, modern furniture with classic design accents, resulting in a timeless, inviting environment filled with abundant natural light and cozy charm. Natural materials and expansive, floor-to-ceiling windows define this living room, crafting an inviting space that seamlessly integrates with the breathtaking beauty of its outdoor surroundings.